No, no. Hello, hello, hello. ¿Qué estamos? ¿Qué estamos? ¿Qué estamos? Hello. Oh, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can do today. What we can, how we can trade, what we can trade, how, when, how can we. So more drawings of yesterday's. There's tap into this level. We rejected what we had. And here is 4 hour level. We should be 4 hour and close above. We form this law right there. We are pushing to this FVG right here. Um, we're already inside an FVG. We swept we close above this level. To our level still. What we can see here, there is a small fair value gap below 15 minute one, 15 minutes, so it will be green, 15 minutes. 15-minute fair value gap, FVG. Okay. Then we can see that there is, sorry, 1 hour. This is 1 hour for the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour FVG right there. Then we can see that this is a 1 hour low, 1 hour low. Okay. Then what we can see, there is no FVG here. The next FVG is present right there. We can read this as a bearish FVG. 1 hour bearish FVG. We can expect a reversal from here. Then look at the 15-minute levels. Market is going to open in just 5 minutes at 9:30. Now we are at 9:15. No, 9:25 right now. So nine, yeah, very different. So it's a 1 hour low. These are the where we have the 15 minutes. Here we have a 15-minute gap right here. 15-minute gap, 15-minute FVG. That will be that is blue. Okay, that, that's a nice move. Did we just tap into? Yes, we just tap into this FVG right there. Yeah, we did close above a little. We did close above at that level. I think this level doesn't matter anymore. Let's see the 5 minutes. Yeah, we have a 15-minute small, no gap there. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Did we have any 5 minute gap? Yeah, we have a final gap here that is just got filled. Doesn't fill yet. Final gap. Okay, wait. Just better. This is 5 minutes week. Let's see what we can do. We don't have any gap here. The best thing we can do is just come here and give us a retracement to some kind of 15-minute gap or any gap. Okay, here we forming a 15-minute gap. In 3 minutes, we probably form this gap right there. That will be bearish gap. That will be a 15-minute gap. So what we can look here is we can look for a retracement to the last level and a retracement to this level. There will be a low probability trade still. That will be a good trade if you look at the 4 hour levels, there is no obvious levels. These are some equal highs just spots that if you can close below that we can still uh, look at to the downside. We are more into a bearish side overall. Look at this, we are overall bearish. So uh, but we just tap into this 3 minutes. We don't know actually what to do right now. Right now, 15-minute gap from this 15-minute gap to a sell side to this buy side will be better. I think so. Um, 15-minute gap, there is a 5 minute gap, there is a 15-minute gap. Um, let's look at the 5 minute again, once again. Yeah, we didn't have any gaps here, 5 minute gaps here. We have a equal high right there. Maybe we can see that. Okay, let's see. What to do is from here we can look for a sell. Okay, please going to open. So if this comes to retrace to this level, we can look for a buy side also. But that doesn't look so convincing either because we have yeah, this is bullish because we just come into this level, these 4 hour levels, this daily gap, then push up. This is a daily gap. So we are bullish if we say, but we are overall. Otherwise, we can be bullish. After these lows got taken out, I don't know what to do exactly right now. Let's see on the we can. This is your stack counter. Okay, let's put this US 5. Now it's a watch list. Why it is more this is symbols to the chat. Okay, that is it. Yeah, we done. Okay, Papa. Not right now, Papa. What are you doing, Papa? Oh, what just happened? I just randomly. Oh, Enapa? What I'm doing that. Enapa? Enapa? ഒക്കെ ഓപ്പൺ ആവുന്ന സമയത്താണോ സാറേ എന്നാപ്പാ എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട ഞാൻ വയറുവേന എടുക്കുന്നില്ല നമ്മൾ കഴിച്ചു ആ അവന്റെ ഇന്ത്യൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ പൈനാപ്പിൾ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് ആദ്യം വന്ന് കഴിച്ചോളാം ഞാനിപ്പോ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നപ്പോ ഞാൻ ശരിയാകും പിന്നെ ഗെറ്റ് ഡ്രൈവ് കളിക്കൊന്നും അല്ല ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് market just opened. So let's see. This is something this is better. Let me go to the 1 month. This is 1 month. Let me go to the 1 minute. Okay. Pushing upwards. This is also pushing up. Tapping the 15 minutes. Rejecting from the 15 minutes. Let's see. The shadows are blurry. Shadows are blurry. Not so good. Yeah, without entry confirmation, they're just pushing downwards. Okay, let's wait. This is a clear liquidity area. Look at this. Can really sweep these levels, but without confirmation, without this equal low when sitting right above us, we can't just jump into random trades. Look at this equal lows inside 5 minutes. Really, really good levels. 5 minute gap. There is no 15-minute gap right there. So it will be a this will be maybe a good level. Wow. Right. Sounds like 1 hour level, 1 hour low right there. That's not a 4 hour note is forming in 3, 2, 1 maybe. I think these are good looking areas in my opinion. I just get this for looking for SMDs, but it doesn't helping at all. It is bad, I think. There is not final gap here while we have a okay. It's a 50-minute gap there, not later. The 5 minute is slowing down. So no confirmation, so yet no trade. Let's wait for it, guys. No, this is rejecting from nowhere, so wait. Let's see. We can't trade it to here. That's another problem right there because we are at nowhere. We don't have any type of gap anywhere. If this only level we can take long is this level. If this is possible, if we can trade from that level. This is the only level I am looking for long right now. And for short, if short, this is a good level to short for, but we should sweep this level and make a SMT. Sorry, make a diversion from there, or should sweep these highs. Without sweeping the high, I can just run. I can really try to short. Let's see the 1 minute price action here. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, dropping to this level right there. I did something wrong. I see one right there. That's five, five. This is not a good trade, so I'm risking less. There is a zero chance I am getting a plus trade from this trade. A plus trade should be from anywhere from the 4 hour something, some gap from there. This is a 4 hour gap right there. Okay, this is a 4 hour gap. We are rejected from 4 hour gap, like it said. We are rejected from this area, 4 hour gap right there. So We are at a 1 minute in 1 hour. Right, ejected from the 4 hour. We did inverse in it level. So we did inverse the 15 minute cycle. Uh, he got a 5 minute, 15 minute gap, 5 minute gap. We got a retest from the and here we will make a SMT, but that SMT cannot be valid. Yeah, it can be valid. Yeah, let's put this right now. Let's see. What's the better? Let's see if this equal loss got saps. There is loss right there, but it's listening. I don't think this will affect anymore. I think we can get a nice one-to-one from here. So these equal highs, maybe these equal highs. But we are in a 4 hour wish. Overall, we are bullish right now. Still, that's not a trade. Let's look at these levels right now again and again. There's 30 minute gap. We are inside 30 minutes gap. 15 minute gaps. For us, it should come to this level for us along. Let's see. I am double thinking about this phrase like this. The short to the buy side, I am double thinking twice before entering. It doesn't look so good. Maybe it will play out, but I don't know. Do we need to give it a chance? If taking this high, I'm not entering. If it is not taking this high, I'm entering. Let's see if we can publish close publish. Yeah, I mean, why it not closing after the countdown closes? Still an inversion, but not a strong one. I am putting that into break even. Putting that to break even right this level, right here. It is rejected. Then break even. I don't want to risk anymore because it's either need to jump higher or just need to. Okay, let's look at these levels. Okay, clear liquidities. Yeah. It may be just a fake news, or just should shoot up to this high. It should shoot up to this highs. I don't know what we are doing. This is one of my trades. I will just sit on it for now. Just see. We should take this high in my opinion. Should take these highs. Come on, not a bad trade. Let's take the 1 to 1 maybe. Let's see. Let's see what is happening. We can trade the 1 to 1. This is not a gap actually. That is a say 15 years level. So no need to reject from there. If you need to reject, it should. This is my break even, so I'm already at break even, so no need to worry about that. It's going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. We took these equal lows. We tapped into 1 hour, 1 hour and 15 minute Ifvg. We are super bullish. It should last up to these levels and take these levels right. This is the 15 minute gap. We are safe now, but Actually, putting it into breaking, I don't think it is a good idea. Should I move my SL to a little bit lower? But I think that is not a good idea. Should stick with our break-even line. So let's see what we can do here. Okay. Let's just put our TP, keep it right there, and just it out. Okay. And also look for SMTs. If this goes up and sweep that will be invalid. I have stopped out. This still will be valid if this level, but don't know. We need to stick with our plans. For reaction, that is not a good idea, I think so. Maybe the price need to sweep one more time before going in. Should I re-enter? No, I should not. No, this is a risky setup, so I don't need to risk anymore. So I am safe for now. Let's see. Another break even. So it's a decent setup. Not bad one. Mhm. The problem is we got filled here. Uh, we actually need to place our stop loss in this swing high. So I placed it about here, right? This level right there. We actually tapped into that 15 minute once again, and it likes to move down pretty good. Actually, a inversion can actually goes to inverse my levels. We can trade against that level, but that is not worth it because of this, and we didn't form an inversion edge. And this is not right actually one we should be because it's 100 or choppy right now. This is not. Don't want this. Maybe I want trading view charts. Let's look at the trading view charts. Should I buy that one? It looks better than that. We have a little lows in this level. Still need to take. You have another level right there. Did we take that? No. This level is 136 level. Doesn't need to trade. If this takes and form a symmetry, that will be a good re-entry. If this takes this level, that will be a good re-entry. 136, 136. Let's see the 136 can do. Okay, this is take that one. Um, we can take this lows. Sorry, this lows. Let's reach. Let's see if we sweep them. No, and then maybe are not. And that's going without sweeping. So I'm missing few trades these days. It's better than losing, right? Maybe. Let's look at our break even point in 15 seconds. I think I enter right there in this candle. I think the break even point was right there in this level. Okay, it's going to take that equal highs. Good. Last. Uh, Probably not a. Let me make an assumption. No, I think I can see it. That's very obvious, guys. But the thing is, this doesn't disrupt it. Look at this. It's disrupt this. Can't re-understand it. Look at this, man. Oh gosh, I'm break even all day. Another day, another break even. We are on break even streak. Good thing I didn't lose these days. Maybe. Yeah, yesterday I took a loss, right? Yeah, I took a loss. Yesterday I think I took a loss. On 3-3, yes, I took a loss yesterday. No, no, no. Yesterday I didn't took a loss. Today I took a break even. Yesterday I took a break even too. Few days before I took a break even and that's it. We are on break even streak, guys. Actually, this is where I should actually put the break in. Even though this comes to this level, I may put, even if this I put break in it here, I think I will just jump to break even at this point. So either way, this is a break even. It's not actually. I'm going to took some more gaps right there. Maybe we can look for a to scalp to the downside. Um, the big bullish trade actually. Yes. Let's see the gap on 15 minutes in this. So gap on 15 minutes. We have a gap on 15 minutes here. I don't think I should need to come through that. We can have some 5 minute to the any of these levels. We have a 5 minute gap on here. Here we have a 15 minutes. Easy and a look at this. And a 5 minute execute. 5 minutes. Let's change this color something to yellow. Maybe this is more probable than this one. I don't know about that. If we can set these highs for a short, if we can set these highs and break off a inverse from here, that will be better. What is this level right there? This level, I don't maybe let's see. Okay, that's another high right there. Mountain this right. Ah, that's a 4 hour. Okay, that may be a good level to short. Do we have any gap? Yeah, we have a gap. That is maybe this is a good area to short. I don't really that's different. Let's see the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, pushing really bullish. Yeah, bullish. Mhm. I think if we can inverse this level, we can look for a quick short. Or if we can get a pullback. Okay, that's a 5 minute. Okay. Let's close in 1 minute. Let's see. Inside a 4 hour gap, that's a good thing. We are inside a 4 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. PG right there. Above we have 1 hour PG. We have some 15 minutes. Don't have 15 gap. So I think these two levels are not very strong either. Hmm. So four hour will close in 5 minutes. Let's see the what is going to happen in the 5 minutes. So for a short, we need to inverse also free. These are all the so this is not a full inverse either. Okay, my friend took this trade right there. I took this inversion and he took this inversion, right? Look at that. Man, that's really sad to see, right? We are early, but we got the right. We just still looking at a chart, missing all our shoots, and it's sad to see, man. Took this trade and aim for the 1 hour refugee, man. Which just beautiful. I like how he trade. It's too much better. Okay, let's see what is happening. What is happening is price just fucked me up. My friend make more money today by taking this trade, and he said this is a good trade, but this inversion is very small. That is one reason he didn't take that. We have a better inversion here, but the reason is I think this is a bad one because I was hoping for an SMT. Like I was hoping for something like this to happen. So I think like this, and on the years it will make just uh, it will just I think on years it should take these lows at least, but it didn't take that low either. So I was a little confused to whether to take this or not. That's why I either way either way that's is a trade, but this is a trade, but like I said, this is too small. We will make some money if we take this trade, but look at that. We will already TP if we take this trade. Yeah, probably PB will take this trade. I think so. PB like will mostly take this trade. Should I take a continuation to the upside? Upside, maybe. Yeah, I should take a continuation to this. We just up to the 5 minute gap. Then we got we didn't get an inversion. Okay, we still didn't get an inversion, so we can't even wait for wait for that. Okay, let's just maybe we can take one more trade. Most probably that trade will be a lose. Better to not trade than taking some more trades. I don't think I see this tapped in this five. This also tapped in this five. Taking some kind of inversion. Nah. Here, did we make some kind of inversion? Nah, we don't have even a gap to make the trade to the upside. Okay, let's see. If 5 minute got involved, this is a 15 minute gap. This is a 15 minute gap that got involved, so it's not enough. Let's look at more probable spot prospector. Is a 4 hour gap, so it will close now. Like it close now. I think it will close. 4 hour will close now. So on the close of that 4 hour, I think we can get a good trade out of that. Why it is not showing the time span, man? Oh, man. I just check any some of the I don't shit. It's also pumping up because it's a good thing we didn't take this one either. This was a great trade. This was a great trade. We tapped in this daily, pushed up, comes to the 1 hour Fg. Our trade was great trade, but we put our break even here. We did wait for the second trade because we didn't take this one, we didn't get an SMC. So that is a good trade. We didn't take this one because we didn't take one this before because we didn't get that we didn't get that inversion from this levels. Maybe we get a 15 or 30 second inversion. We didn't get any of that. Yeah, we did have a 15-minute gap here, but it's not. Into the downside from this level isn't look so good right now, but I can take one shot because we are very bullish right now. We are in the 1 hour time frame. Maybe we didn't take these highs. We didn't take these highs yet. Look at that. These highs look so affecting. So the inverse, we can't take that trade either. That's not a high global one. There is no liquidity to draw from the this is just an SVG, single SVG can't you can't trade this either. It means it stocks. I think it need to go to this now. Sorry. I need to take this one when we have it. I'm not taking this trade. Mm, it's maybe a good one, but I don't think that is a good one. Taking every trade is not a good thing to do either. Look at that reaction. Look at the reaction. It can go either way, my friend. It goes it out. It goes it out. It out. One gaps there. I don't think I should take this. Yeah, it fucking goes beautiful. This was the trade I'm talking about, but I'm not comfortable in taking this. I really want to. Like, I want to take this thing. I want to keep it here. Like this. Oh, this don't want to. I don't want to come here either. this trade play out, they should play out now. It's not a bad one. Nah, man. I did invest not a high time frame one, but it did break even point at here. TP at here because we are on yeah, in tap that level. I'm sure it may tap this level right. Let's see. Okay, this is still a good trade. I don't see any reason to not take this trade much. Okay, it's now right. That inversion was pretty clear, not so boring. We didn't have the 5 minute yet. We are still struggling. Yes, 500. So we just have the liquidity. What is this, man? This is lagging. What? It's not lagging. Is this the brave bug? I don't know. Maybe it is. What I can do here is maybe I will wait for that to get hit. And what I can do is maybe I can look for a long setup from that is a solid plan. Yeah, it maybe get hit. But long from here is a not bad idea, but we tapped in the 1 hour, we reject her pretty much very good. We will close the 15 minutes in 8 seconds. Yeah, the TP got hit. And I didn't. The worst thing about having doesn't have a premium is yeah, it did now it did pretty much great. Let's see if this holds. Hmm. From here, doesn't see any inversion to take either. So waiting is better. That did play that well, man. I missed the goods. Very not. I don't think this is a very good trade, but it's really a good trade. I can't blame it. Shit. Man, I'm just so tired, man. And nothing getting working for me. I should find something else to. I want to take this too. Yeah. No reason to trade from there also. You didn't see this. This is only right now. Yeah, real bad. The strong one. If I just held back right from here, hmm, good, great, beautiful. Sure. Sometimes sticking with your plan sucks, not stuck sucks. Why do you know why I say that? Because look at this. My setup says break in at the next high. That will be right there. So I put that break in right here. And the next thing what I do was doesn't in enter on the second trade right here because I didn't have any reason to take this trade because actually we tapped into this 1 hour, we tapped into this few minutes, and this pushed up already taking this high, this high. We still have a strong equal highs there. We can target there, but still I didn't get any SMTs to take that. If I get an SMT, I may take that. But I don't know, bro. Sucks. It actually sucks. Ah, now I feel sucked. I look at TJ's video. I'm just losing 15, $20. He losing millions. So the good thing is he's full porting his account and making everything back in one trade. So I can't do that. I am broke. So I can't do that really. This is a good trade to take from here. We didn't have any inversion. Yeah, we did have an inversion, man, but I missed that. Should I chase this? I like to chase that. But it's by it's going to too much. Only take that. I don't want to get it. I just look into trade their trades and just miss this trade. This is the trade I was planning. Let's do it. Maybe let's. Oh no, no man, just don't. Ah, okay. This time I just actually missed this trade. It's a good enough setup. I will exit here. I will exit here. Even though this is a good enough setup, I will just, you can target here. No problem with targeting the. Let's say the 500 maybe. This was the break-even point if I entered that trade. So I don't want to chase this man, but still a valid trade for a good continuation. Hmm. Okay, it's okay. Shit happens sometimes. Maybe someday the market reward me for being disciplined. Who knows? Okay, Kimmel trader make 8,000 rupees. Sorry, 8,000 rupees, no, $8,000. Just 6 minutes ago, he made. This is a great entry, man. Every fucking trade is same. Exactly my same bias, my same setup. Everything is good. But the thing is, I missed everything. Someday I will make it, man. Someday. Look at that, man. Sticking to your plan sometimes sucks. Even if I entered here, right at this level, I may make some money, but I stick with my plan. I didn't enter because I know some days, if I entered here, this is perfect for my setup. This is a perfect day for my strategy, man. Perfect day. In fact, in three setups, I took three setups. I called three setups played exactly like I said. Third setup, I was waiting, but that didn't play out very well. I just want only one trade to win, but I just ignored every trades. I just missed this trade. I don't want to chase that trade yet. It's okay, man. Sometimes shit happens. Sometimes, whenever I got this account, then all I experienced was lows, 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 lows. Either way, I'm good at that. I'm better, getting better slow, so someday, who knows? Do we have any viewers? No, we didn't have it. Let's just like our shit and just comment our own. Like, hi, trade bro, expector chain. Hmm. No need to panic on this one. It can go up to here, man. Can clearly go up to this. Then if this inverse, do we want to trade to the lower side? Nah, I don't want. Because I'm almost certain that it will just go to this red form because this is where everything this is where everything just nice. This is also a good level to take some profits. Yeah, these everything is good. And no need to panic on this. We can still stay on our bias. This inversion is completely invalid. I know that this inversion is a trap. I know that. I just know that this inversion is a trap. This inversion is a trap. It will just continue to the upside. That is something that I know. Maybe, maybe not. It should reverse from this or block right there, or else it should reverse from these levels, or else it will reverse from these levels. Best thing to reverse is this level right there. If we get an inversion of this level, would I want to just try to reinvest? No, I don't want to, man. This is a break-even day. I accept it as a break-even day. Someday I will get a win at that day. Someday I will prove that this works. Someday. Just wait for that someday to happen. I give you guys this is 80% probability. 75% probability this will flop. Because let's look at this price action on the US 500. We didn't sweep, we didn't have an SMT, we did have an inversion, we sweep these lows, we still have liquidity above, we we didn't sweep on the US 500 either. So it is good to target these levels up to these levels. It's okay to target to these. One now we can see that we are in a fair value gap, but it's like it's like anyway, I'm done for today. I don't know. I can't trade anymore. I'm just so done. Like I call this one, I call this one, I call this one, and then what exactly happening is that when I'm taking the last trade of the setup, most probably I will just lose that trade. I experienced it multiple times, so I don't want to trade today. Let me wait for another trade to happen. I have 30 more minutes to trade, but I'm not trading. No, I am done with my trading. Yeah, I have 39:30. I can trade until 9:30, but I'm not going to trade today. I'm just done for the day. I just said to guys, it is a trap. Most probably it is a trap. We'll just go to this level. I don't want to see it happen. I'm just done, really not today. Really hard to watch these, but it's okay, guys. Let's see. It will be someday. Yeah, look at that. We are inversing this gap. I'm done for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. If anyone watching, thank you for watching. If nobody watching, thank you for watching. I still don't care. Done for the day. Done for the day. Fucking done. This is moving out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like I said, exactly what I said. Only thing that I just didn't execute. That is what happened. It's on the street.